Hello, Earth and Environmental Science learning community, and welcome to term 16EW6. This is week 2 into our term, and thank you for reading the lowdown last week in the absence of any video message starring yours truly. I seem to have gotten my recording device up and going, so bear with me if there are any clicks or blips as we make our way through the next minute or so of an overview of what to expect this week in the LC. I first want to say hello and welcome back to everybody. I hope your second week is off to a great start. Welcome to our new members. I encourage you to hop on and introduce yourselves so you can start conversing with your peers and join in getting to know each other here on the LC. As I outlined last week, for those of you who are familiar and for those of you who aren't, this is just a refresher for the veterans, and again, this is an overview for the folks who are new to the LC. The way that I, as the faculty facilitator, have structured these week's topics that might be of interest to you is kind of in a 4-part deal. So we've got Motivational Mondays, Wired Wednesdays, Thursday themes, and finally Friday. At any point in time, I just want to emphasize that this is first and foremost your space. And these are topics that I'm presenting based on what I know about what's going on in different courses and topics that you might be covering, career paths that folks might be looking at. These are things here to supplement and enhance your learning experience at Southern New Hampshire. And by no means are you obligated to hop on and join in, but the idea is for you to perhaps be inspired and hop on the LC to start up a conversation with your friends or ask questions. And keep in mind that I'm here to field any questions that you might have, and there's also your peer leader, Sarah Damaris, as well as our 2 LC advisors. So again, this is your space. It's your community to talk to one another, ask questions, share ideas, and I encourage you to do so at any point in time that the mood strikes. So without any further ado, let's talk about what I have proposed for our topics this week in the LC for Motivational Monday. You're going to have a couple opportunities or I will share a couple links for you to check out how you can start your journey as a citizen scientist. I was inspired by Dean Nugent's suggestion of bringing this up in the LC. She's going to be speaking with us later on in September about being a citizen scientist and opportunities for you all. So I'll be reminding you of that as we grow closer to that date. But right now you can kind of get a feel for this with what I'll be posting today and the conversations that we'll have and the additional resources that I'll share throughout the week and beyond. All right, Wired Wednesday. There's a webinar on citizen science, and that is at 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. I'll also be providing another pre-recorded webinar for you to check out as well on citizen science. And Thursday themes, you've got a chance to take a look at Science in the News, where I'll post an article on a contemporary earth and environmental science topic or issue. There's a lot going on out there, so I haven't narrowed that one down yet. If there are any suggestions you have or anything you want to share, again, I encourage you to do so. And then finally, Friday, here's your chance to ask questions before the weekend strikes of your peers, advisors, again, me, and if we can't find the answers, we'll do our darndest to find somebody who can for you. So that is what is up this week in the LC, and I hope to see you all join in. Have a wonderful week, everybody. Hope this recording turned out okay. Take care.